Chapter 5 Subtraction. Focus points. Properties of subtraction. Subtraction of 3-digit numbers in expanded form. Subtraction of 3-digit numbers without borrowing. Subtraction of 3-digit numbers with borrowing. Word problems. Taking away a number from another number is called subtraction. The number being subtracted from is called minuend. The number being subtracted is called subtrahend. And the number left after subtracting is called difference. For example, 24 minuend minus 13 subtrahend is equal to 11 difference. Note that the symbol used for subtraction is hyphen minus. Properties of subtraction. 1. When we subtract 0 from a number, the difference is always the number itself. For example, 125 minus 0 is equal to 125. 540 minus 0 is equal to 540. 2. When we subtract a number from itself, the difference is always 0. For example, 243 minus 243 is equal to 0. 812 minus 812 is equal to 0. Subtraction of 3-digit numbers in expanded form. Example, subtract 113 from 436. Solution, 436 minus 113 is equal to 323. Note that first subtract ones, then tens and then hundreds. Try these. State true or false. A. Difference of 795 and 432 will be 3 hundreds plus 3 tens plus 3 ones. B. Difference of 978 and 634 will be 3 hundreds plus 4 tens plus 4 ones. Subtraction of 3-digit numbers without borrowing. Example, subtract 358 from 679. Subtract the ones. 9 ones minus 8 ones is equal to 1. Subtract the tens. 7 tens minus 5 tens is equal to 2 tens. Subtract the hundreds. 6 hundreds minus 3 hundreds is equal to 3 hundreds. So, 679 minus 358 is equal to 321. Subtraction of 3-digit numbers with borrowing. Borrowing from tens to ones. Example, subtract 548 from 782. Step 1. Arrange the numbers in columns. Step 2. 8 ones cannot be subtracted from 2 ones. So, borrow 1 10, 10 ones from tens place to ones place. Thus, 10 ones plus 2 ones is equal to 12 ones. Now, we have 12 ones leaving behind 7 tens. Subtracting ones, 12 ones minus 8 ones is equal to 4 ones. Step 3. Subtracting tens. 7 tens minus 4 tens is equal to 3 tens. Step 4. Subtracting hundreds. 7 hundreds minus 5 hundreds is equal to 2 hundreds. So, 782 minus 548 is equal to 234. Note that while borrowing 110 from tens, do not forget to reduce tens digit by 1. Borrowing from hundreds to tens. Example, subtract 356 from 638. Step 1. Arrange the numbers in columns. Step 2. Subtracting ones. 8 ones minus 6 ones is equal to 2 ones. Step 3. 5 tens cannot be subtracted from 3 tens. So, borrow 100 from hundreds place to tens place. Thus, 10 tens plus 3 tens is equal to 13 tens. Now, we have 13 tens leaving behind 5 hundreds. Subtracting tens. 13 tens minus 5 tens is equal to 8 tens. Step 4. Subtracting hundreds. 5 hundreds minus 3 hundreds is equal to 2 hundreds. So, 638 minus 356 is equal to 282. Note that while borrowing 100 from hundreds, do not forget to reduce hundreds digit by 1. borrowing from tens to ones and hundreds to tens. Example, subtract 389 from 743. Solution. Step 1. Arrange the numbers in columns. Step 2. As 9 ones cannot be subtracted from 3 ones, so borrow 1 10, 10 ones from tens place to ones place. Now we have 13 ones leaving behind 3 tens. Subtracting ones. 13 ones minus 9 ones is equal to 4 ones. Step 3. Again 8 tens cannot be subtracted from 3 tens. So, borrow 110 tens from hundreds place to tens place. Now, we have 13 tens leaving behind 6 hundreds. Subtracting tens. 13 tens minus 8 tens is equal to 5 tens. Step 4. Subtracting hundreds. 6 hundreds minus 3 hundreds is equal to 3 hundreds. So, 743 minus 389 is equal to 354. Note that when 110 is borrowed from tens, reduce tens digit by 1, and when 100 is borrowed from hundreds, reduce hundreds digit by 1. Borrowing from hundreds to ones. Example, subtract 269 from 805. Step 1. Arrange the numbers in columns. Step 2. As 9 ones cannot be subtracted from 5 ones, so borrow 110 from tens place, but we have 0 at tens place. So, borrow 100 from hundreds place to tens place. Now, 0 in tens place becomes 110 tens and 8 in hundreds place becomes 700. Again, borrow 110 from tens place to ones place. Thus, 10 ones plus 5 ones is equal to 15 ones. Now, we have 15 ones leaving behind 9 tens. Subtracting ones. 15 ones minus 9 ones is equal to 6 ones. Step 3. Subtracting tens. 9 tens minus 6 tens is equal to 3 tens. Step 4. Subtracting hundreds. 7 hundreds minus 2 hundreds is equal to 5 hundreds. So, 805 minus 269 is equal to 536. Word problems. Example, there are 484 fruits of 2 kinds in a carton. If 244 are mangoes in them, then how many guavas are there in the carton? Solution. 484 total fruits minus 244 mangoes is equal to 240 guavas. So, there are 240 guavas in the carton. Note that before solving a word problem, it is very important to understand it. So, read it properly before solving it.